So, my dear students, once again welcome you all to Prudence Coaching History class. Here you will get ICSE, CVSE, and WBBSE solutions. As usual, today we came up with one of the most important topic of history, that is Delhi Sultanate. And in this particular video, you are going to get all important questions from Delhi Sultanate, and you will get all this information in this particular video. Within 15 minutes you can recapitulate or revise the whole syllabus of Delhi Sultanate. So let's start. So my dear students, here the first question is, in which year Delhi Sultanate was founded? Answer will be 1206. Yes students, it was founded in the year 1206 and it was till 1526. It is almost 320 years Delhi Sultanate ruled over India. Let us move on to the next question. As you can see, these questions are very important for your exam. Next one is, who was the founder of Delhi Sultanate? My dear students, you should be careful while answering this question, because if you are asked to say who is the founder of Delhi Sultanate, then the answer will be Qutbuddin Aibak. But if you are asked to give the answer like this, who is the real founder, in that case your answer would be Shams-ud-Din Iltutmish. Next important question is, how many dynasties were there in Delhi Sultanate? Answer is 5 dynasties. So let us see all these 5 dynasties. First was Mamluk dynasty or slave dynasty, and it was from 1206 till 1290. Next is Khilji dynasty, which was started in 1290 till 1320. Next was Tughlaq dynasty, which was started in 1320 and ended in 1413. Next is Said dynasty, which was started in the year 1414 and it was till 1451. Next is, or the last dynasty, is the Lodi dynasty, which was from 1451 till 1526. So these are the 5 dynasties of Delhi Sultanate. Next important question is, who built the Qutub Minar? This is one of the important questions. Students, it was built by Qutbuddin Aibak, but you must remember that this construction or the construction of Qutub Minar was started by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1199, but he only constructed the basement. Later on, this Qutub Minar was completed by his successor and son-in-law Iltutmish in 1220. The height of Qutub Minar is about 73 meters. Qutub Minar is the world's tallest big minaret. Next important question is, who was the founder of the Mamluk dynasty? And student, you must know that Mamluk dynasty is the first dynasty of Delhi Sultanate, and it is also called slave dynasty. So here the founder was Qutbuddin Aibak. So Qutbuddin Aibak is the founder of slave dynasty or Mamluk dynasty. Next important question is, who was the first Muslim woman ruler of India? Or the question may be asked like this: the first and the last woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate was? Answer will be Razia Sultana. Let us know something more about her. Razia Sultana ruled over Delhi Sultanate from 1236 till 1240. She was the daughter of Iltutmish. Important question is, the famous poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji was? Answer is Amir Khusro. So Amir Khusro was the famous poet in the court of Alauddin Khilji. Next question is, whose nickname is Tota-e-Hind or Parrot of India? Answer will be Amir Khusro. So Amir Khusro is also known as Tota-e-Hind or Parrot of India. Next question is, who is called by intelligent fool? Answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq is called by intelligent fool. He is called so, or the reason behind calling him intelligent fool is mainly due to shifting capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Next question is, which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the longest period? Here the answer will be Tughlaq dynasty, because Tughlaq dynasty was started in the year 1320 and it was till 1430. So it was almost 93 years that Tughlaq dynasty ruled in Delhi. And you must remember, Mamluk dynasty or the slave dynasty ruled for 84 years in Delhi. Next important question is, who was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Answer is Ghiyas Uddin Tughlaq. His reign was from 1320 till 1325. Next important question is, which Delhi Sultan died while playing the chogan or polo? Answer is Qutb Uddin Aibak. He died in the year 1210 by falling down from his horse while playing polo. Let us move on to the next question. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate introduced market reforms? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji was the second ruler of Khilji dynasty and he introduced market reforms. Let us move on to the next question. Who was the founder of Khilji dynasty? Answer is Jalal Uddin Khilji is the founder of Khilji dynasty. He ruled from 1290 till 1296. Next important question is, which Delhi Sultan described himself as Sikandar-e-Sani, the second Alexander? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Next important question is, what was the name of the commander of King Alauddin Khilji? Or you can say, who was the famous general of Alauddin Khilji? Answer will be Malik Kafur, which is one of the important question here. So you must remember the answer. Now the next question is, which Sultan of Delhi kills his own uncle and became Sultan? This is one of the most important question here. Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Let us move on to the next question. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate? Answer is Qutb Uddin Aibak. He ruled from 1206 till 1210. Next question is, who was the last ruler or Sultan of Delhi Sultanate? Answer is Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated and killed by Babur in the first battle of Panipat on 20th April in 1526. After that, Delhi Sultanate was ended and Mughal Empire was established. Next important question is, who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? Answer is Bahlul Lodi was the founder of Lodi dynasty. And Lodi dynasty was the last dynasty of Delhi Sultanate. Bahlul Lodi ruled from 1451 to 1489. Next important question is, the founder of Said dynasty was? It is Khizr Khan, who is the founder of Said dynasty. As you can see students, all these questions are very important for your exam and these are the selected questions for your exam. So if you find these questions important, then like this video and continue watching this particular video. Next question, who first imposed jizya tax in India? Answer is Qutb Uddin Aibak. Muslim ruler Qutb Uddin Aibak first imposed jizya tax in India on non-Muslim for their protection. Jizya was abolished by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the 16th century, but later on it was reintroduced by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in 17th century. Let us move on to the next question. Who introduced Iqta system during the Sultanate period? Answer is Samsuddin Iltutmish. Ikta is a land revenue system on certain conditions. Next question. The official language of Delhi Sultanate was Persian. Next question is, the city of Agra was founded in 1504 by. Answer is, Sikandar Lodi founded the city of Agra in 1504. Next question is, who built Charminar? Answer is Kuli Qutub Shah. Charminar is a historical monument built by Kuli Qutub Shah in the year 1591 in Hyderabad, India. It has 4 minarets, that is why the name given Charminar. Char means 4 and minar means minaret. Next question is, during the reign of Iltutmish, the silver coins was called tanka. Next question. During the period of the Delhi Sultanate, the chief minister was known as Wazir. My dear students, today's last question and the most important question is, who was the first Muslim invader of India? Answer will be Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim invaded or attacked India on 712 AD. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of most important questions from Delhi Sultanate. You know that these questions are very important for your exam. And students, if you find the content of this video helpful, then like this video and also subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. And don't forget to check the playlist and the description box to get playlist of all videos which you will find very important for your exam. Till then, take care, be happy and stay tuned and keep learning, keep enjoying. Thank you.